Personal style isn't about trends, it's about confidence. So how do you find yours? Let's find out in under 2 minutes. Start with the go-to outfit formula. Something that always works. Like tailored jeans, a crisp shirt, and a jacket. When in doubt, wear this. It's your daily style foundation. It gives you peace of mind on busy mornings and keeps you consistent without feeling boring. Then, add your signature color. The one that lifts your mood and flatters your skin tone. It could be navy, burgundy, soft beige, or emerald green. Wear it with purpose, a coat, a blazer, or even just a bag. This color becomes your visual signature. A subtle way of saying, "This is me," without saying a word. Now here's the secret. Your personal style didn't start in your closet. It started in your lifestyle, culture, family, and early environment. How you grew up, where you live, and what you do every day, these shape your natural taste and your instinct. The next layer is comfort and fit. If something doesn't feel good, you won't wear it, and you'll never look confident in clothes that don't fit your life. Style should support your body, not fight against it. And on top, that's where the magic happens. Authenticity, confidence, and self-expression. That's what turns clothes into personal style. So, remember 2 things. 1. Wear clothes that feel like you. 2. Pick a color that makes you shine. Simple, powerful, and personal. That's the kind of style that lasts. And here's how to make sure you look put together all the time. Just click right here.